There's Mary Beth doing her glute workout for the morning.
Yes. It's the only way I can see safely.
I know.
Good posture.
Posture.
What?
Show me your good posture.
This is good posture. This isn't. This posture.
That's a horse stance.
Well, it's also this posture.
Good to build your legs too. Gorgeous morning out here. That's where we're headed. It's going to happen anywhere. It's going to happen out there. Bye, St. Joseph's Island.
We're going super duper fast right now. 3.2 nautical miles. Sailing with both sails up.
Sails up, no engine.
Speeding through the water at top speed. Oh, we're gaining speed. 3.3, 3.4, 3.3. At this point, we'll be at our destination in 7.5 hours, which is only 24 nautical miles from here.
So 24. I'm making the boat go fast.
When?
Look,
Did you start
3.4
yet?
knots. It's not my fault, it's the wind. Yeah. Going 7.7 knots.
24 miles to our destination. 7 hours. 7 hours and 14 minutes. We will arrive at 7:18. It's noon right now. It's noon right now on the Chesapeake Bay. The wind's supposed to pick up in the afternoon. Babe, we got people to see, places to go.
Let me put the engine on.
It's up to you. Steven saw stingrays out here, but by the time I got over here, I did not see them. And they're gone. Or maybe they're still there.
We got 3.6.
What? Ooh!
6, look.
Ooh, ooh.
Up, it's back up. Up 3.7.
Love is our guiding star. We go with the flow. We go with the flow.